Speaking of two, it's weather and traffic on the twos time. Jed, we're talking about a very tough to predict storm or potential cold weather event that's coming to the low country this weekend. We were just talking about how difficult it is to predict exactly what we're going to see.
Yeah, the setup here is a cold air damming setup. It's where we get that cold air surging east of the Appalachians. The extent of that is going to be critical. Will it be right at the freezing point at the surface going into Sunday morning, or will it be much warmer and we get a cold rain? That's the question that we certainly will be looking to answer here over the next several days. Remember, we are 5 days away right now from Sunday morning, and a lot can change in that time frame. But what we do know, these next several days, actually pretty nice. We'll warm up into the low 60s today, but if you're about to head out the door, it is quite chilly. Live shot towards downtown, showing you mainly clear skies out there. Beautiful start to the day, but it is cold. We are talking temperatures in the 20s, 27 at the airport right now. Pretty calm winds there as well. Look at King Street, 21 degrees, 23 St. George. Meanwhile, 37 over on Folly. So most of us pretty chilly. The beaches a little bit warmer, a little bit more of a breeze there. Augusta 5 or so on Folly and Edisto, while the rest of us are pretty much dead calm. We'll drop another degree or two just before sunrise, which is 7:21. Then we warm up nearly 40 by 9 o'clock. A lot of sunshine the first half of the day. Cloud cover the second half, but it still looks really nice as we reach those low 60s. Warmer today than the last several days. Our islands and beaches right into the mid to upper 50s for us. We go into tomorrow. We just continue to warm up. Mid-60s tomorrow, nearly 70 by Friday. Can't rule out a stray shower. But of course, all the focus and attention is what happens over the weekend. So we're going to break this down, starting at a wide level here. First of all, you need Arctic air for winter weather, of course, and we certainly have that surging all the way into the U.S. to the point where places like Minneapolis, wind chill values 50 below zero. That is unbelievable cold air, and all of this air is going to surge as far down as potentially Mexico and certainly into Texas. Now, at the same exact time that this happens, you have a atmospheric river here, the stream of moisture all the way from the eastern Pacific right into the U.S. Well, that warm, moist air is going to collide with that cold, dry air, and that's going to lead to an unbelievable winter storm. But for us locally, right here in Charleston, it really is going to come down to the exact temperatures at the surface. I mean, no doubt that places like Kentucky, Tennessee, even Texas, Arkansas, all the way out to Virginia and probably North Carolina, they're dealing with snow, potentially freezing rain. For us, the question is a little bit harder to answer, and the reason why is because of this exact setup right here. You'll be hearing a lot about this from me over the next couple of days. It's called cold air damming, and it will be absolutely critical on how extensive this is, how strong it is, and the duration of this as well. So here's the setup. High pressure to our north, an area of developing low pressure to our south. So you have all this cold air in place, and then you have this high pressure just off to the northeast of us. Well, that's clockwise movement. That's going to send cold air in this direction. But what you have right here are the Appalachian Mountains. Cold air, it's heavy, it's dense. It really just doesn't want to go up and over mountains. Instead, it finds the path of least resistance, which is potentially to the south and off to the west. So potentially all the way to Georgia, but it really depends on the extent of this. Maybe it's a little bit weaker and it just stalls out near Rock Hill, doesn't even make it to Atlanta, and it doesn't make it here to the low country. This will be critical because if we get this cold air here in the low country at the surface, we have the possibility for freezing rain and sleet. If we don't, we're talking a cold rain. Now remember, we are still 5 days away from right now, Wednesday morning, all the way to Sunday morning. Plenty of time for things to change, so we are watching this very closely, but very low confidence in the temperatures because of the cold air damming setup, which also makes for a very low confidence forecast for our winter precipitation. It's on the table. There is the possibility we could be dealing with impacts due to winter weather, but considering we're still 5 days out, right now, I just want you to stay tuned to Storm Team 2. Chief Meteorologist Rob Fowler, he'll be right back in later this evening. I'll be back in tomorrow morning, and we are on it each and every day, leading right into the weekend. So, of course, with that in mind, we have declared weather alert days Saturday night through Monday morning, but there is a bit of a question mark for that whole forecast period. If that cold air doesn't reach us, we could be much warmer over the weekend than what our current forecast shows. We could also be even colder. So a lot of forecast uncertainty here, but with the possibility of winter weather on the table, especially away from the coast, we have to watch this very closely, and you should as well. Again, stay tuned here over the next several days as this forecast evolves.